Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and I'm standing outside one of our recently completed fix and flips. I know a lot of you have been asking for some new videos. We finally have one ready, at least almost ready, still a few things to do. But this house was a huge project, one I bought sight unseen, had tenants in it, I never got inside. Was not the best deal in the world after I saw how much work it needed inside, but we went through completely remodeled almost everything, changed the floor plan, did a ton of work on it, had to fix the foundation, and this is what we have now. So be sure to check out the before video. I'll have it in the description if you're watching on YouTube or Facebook, and you can see what the house was like. I did a video first time I walked through it, and it was a mess. So we'll get started here pretty soon. Another thing I'm also gonna try and do is some more long videos with before and afters together, more information on all the numbers, everything like that. So hopefully we'll have some of those coming up soon, and you guys can check those out. And of course, check out investformore.com for my podcast, information on all my flips, everything else. We have 15 flips going right now. Sold a couple last week while I was in Turks and Caicos, and have a couple more selling next week as well. All right, so if you look at the before video, the front door was at the front of the house. We completely took that out. There's like a weird L-shaped living room that came over here. There was a bedroom right here. And this entire front area had no foundation under it. It was basically sitting on dirt. So we had to jack up the house, lift the house, and just ended up pouring a slab foundation underneath it. In the process, since we were redoing everything, we added 2 bedrooms up front, made this the living room, left the bathroom where it's at now, I'll show you that. Moved the kitchen a little bit, added a dining room, and we have a 3rd bedroom back there now. Before it's just a 2-bedroom. So completely redid everything. New drywall, windows, doors, paint. Had to do some HVAC work, some wiring work, plumbing work. There was a lot to do on this house. As you can see, there's still a few things that need touched up from my contractor. I know you guys, some of you complain about me talking crap about my contractors, but this house was supposed to be done weeks ago, and it's been like pulling teeth trying to get him back over here to fix really minor stuff. And we can't list it until that's fixed, and that's just one of my biggest pet peeves, is having a house that's almost ready to sell, and you're just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and it's not ready. So, yeah, huge pet peeve. Should have been done a long time ago. Hopefully, it'll be ready tomorrow. All right, here's the other bedroom. Here, again, that door is not on like it's supposed to be. New light fixtures, paint touch up here, new closet doors, all of that. Right here is the bathroom, which used to be able, you could walk through it to the bedroom before, and you can do that now, but we moved the door over here, completely redid everything in here, floors, vanity, lights, tile, tub, fixtures, all that's been redone. And then we go into this bedroom here, which is a nice size bedroom. And then it has a big closet as well. So this closet was here before, but I think we shrunk it a little bit to make the bedroom bigger. And right here is the kitchen. You can see Home Depot cabinets, counters, appliances, that's all brand new. And then before, there was a door here and kind of a weird little office den, so we just took that wall out, opened that up to make it a real dining room. Back here was just concrete, sort of finished room, and This is kind of the new utility room, new hot water heater, washer and dryer go right there. Not super functional, but could definitely use it for storage, other stuff. And then we still have kind of the one car garage, needs cleaned up a little bit too, as you can see. And that's the house. So the numbers on this, we bought it for $110,000 from the MLS. Like I said, I still never saw inside of it until after I bought it, and owned it a couple months till the tenants left. So I made a commission when I bought it. We spent somewhere around $60,000 on the repairs on this one. We're gonna be listing it for $207,900, which will be one of the cheapest houses in the entire area. Probably have $15,000 in carrying costs and selling costs. So definitely not a home run. Gonna make $25,000, maybe $30,000 if we get over asking price. So not amazing, but that happens when you buy houses sight unseen sometimes. I kind of was assuming since people are living here, it couldn't possibly be that bad inside. I was wrong. It was really bad, really horrible. So not a home run, still should make some money. We're kind of deciding whether to try and sell it as is, which we first did for a little bit of profit, but we didn't have any takers, so we decided to fix it up. Still have some sheds back here that need cleaned up a little bit. Some of the downsides of this property, those are railroad tracks that back right up to it. And like I said, I got a video of the train going by a little bit ago. So there are active trains that come by right back here. When I put together my full video with everything, I'll include all that. But for right now, I'll just give you the after video here. The paint color, we wanted this to be a happy house. Nikki and I picked this color, which I'm gonna say it was more Nikki than me, so I'll put the blame on her. But it's very bright, very yellow, but I still think it looks pretty good. All new siding all around. It was stucco before, new roof. Oh yeah, and our contractor still left the tires there that we need to get rid of. And there you can see that side of the house. So it turned out really nice. Floor plan is much more functional. The floors don't slope 8 to 10 inches one direction, and it should sell. Not the most amazing profit margin for the amount of work we did, but at the same time, we probably won't lose money, so that's a good thing. So you have some really good ones. Once in a while you have some that don't work out perfect, but that is all part of the business. So that's the house. We'll get it on the market here shortly. Hopefully we get an offer soon. And then once it closes and we know the final figures, we'll do a final video on it and put everything together for you guys so you can see what this whole project turned out to make. All right, thanks for watching. Again, check out investformore.com for more information on my flips, my podcast. We have before and after videos on just about every flip on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Should have at least 2 more flips finishing up here in the next week or 2, hopefully week. And we'll be buying a couple more here in the next couple weeks as well, so hopefully we'll have some new videos of that. Another one that was tenant occupied will be vacant, so you can see that one too. So we should have a lot more videos of the investment properties coming up and give you guys some more content. All right, thanks for watching. Any comments you have, please post them below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks a lot.